This is an experiment of putting this really cold stuff in water. It's like dry ice, but it's not. Here, let's get a view. Here, move. It's freezing. It's frozen right there. Let's get some more.
Now let's try cold water.
Oh, that's gonna be so cool. That was hot. Now we're getting cold.
Okay.
Oh.
Don't breathe it in.
Go slowly this time. I can do it. I can do it.
Wait.
No, don't do it to the side. Just do a little.
Like right here?
Mm-hmm. Do it slowly.
It's empty.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what
Keep it in your way.
it freezes. Ah, it smells terrible.